Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo and let you know how to make a copy and become the owner of this file. So I'll go step by step. Let me show you first. This is the look of your file now. I have added the company logo and you can see it's a very decent and professional looking form. So a form was requested to fill in with the required fields, which are these. Yes, these are the fields, and I have made these fields fillable through the Google Forms. So now let me go through you the process you need to do. So you can add the description of the form so that someone will see the form, he can understand. So this is the professional thing. So let me tell you, this is a good looking form where the form description says what it should do. And there is another example here. You can add the email addresses, web link, or your email or your website link, or any description for the user who's filling in the form. There is another example. Here you can see it's a complete detail of the about the form if it is needed. I'm just showing you for any future changes, and then the form field comes in. So now let me tell you how to make a copy of this file so that you can become an owner of this. So you have to do few steps. First of all, you can when you will see this link, you will see this form. You can go to the three vertical dots, make a copy, and it will ask you to make a copy. Just make a copy. This will save on your drive. Now you have to make two more changes. First of all, you have to create a response sheet. So if someone will submit the form, you will get the response in your drive, not mine. So this is the pop-up for the drive setup. I'll set up the in the second thing. Okay, so this is generated now. I'll click on the response sheet. I'll click on the green button and I'll say, okay, yeah, I want to create a new sheet, and I'll click create. As soon as I will click create, a sheet will be created with the headings related to the form fields. And if someone will enter the form, you will get the results in here. You can change the name of the file as well. You can remove this copy off and on the form as well. Yeah, okay. So now all set up now you have to make another change. So if someone will save the files on your form, you have to have linked your with your drive so that if someone will submit the any of the image, you can get it on your drive. So for this, you can see these options at the bottom. Either you can specify a particular form type, sorry, image type, or any file type. I won't do that. And you can limit the inputs, the number of images someone will submit. Let it at 5 because I can see files on your heading. And then I'll click on the 10 GB. I'll click on change here. And then I'll come here. It will ask me for 1 GB. I'll say okay, take a terabyte, 1 TB, no issues. All done. Now you have all set up for the for sharing the file and for sharing the link. If you want to see the folder on which you want to save, you can click on this change folder, and then you can navigate to exactly any folder on your drive. And yes, that's it. Now let me tell you how to share this form with someone else so that someone can submit it and you will get the responses on your response sheet. Sorry, this is the form. I need to, yep, I need to submit it. Change this here, 10 GB change. Yeah, it's already done. Sorry. So now how you can share this form? You can always go to this send button. Here you will either you can add the email address, so the form will be sent to that particular person. An email will be sent and he can click the email and he will navigate to the form and he can submit it. The other way is that if you want to share the link, so you can click on this button and then click the shorten URL. Once the URL is there, it will be selected. You can just copy it and that's it. Boom, you are ready to share this link with anyone else on the Google workspace. And as soon as you will submit the use the URL, you will be navigated to the Google form, and yes, anyone can submit it. So when someone will submit it, you will get the responses on your response sheet. It's asking me for the drive setup, which I have already done, but on my form, not your form. So you have to do it once you will make a copy. You have to do it on your end. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if you find any difficulty or anything. I can call you on Zoom, and I will make the setup as per your requirement. Looking forward for your review. Thank you so much. Please do leave a feedback on order completion page. Thank you.